Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, natassiar1. I'm going to be showing you guys how to make an amazing golden turmeric latte with collagen. So stick around if you want more. On my channel, I do have a video about golden turmeric latte, right? But what is so amazing or special about adding collagen? Well, collagen, first of all, is one of the most abundant proteins found in your body. It is amazing for strengthening the tissues in your body, in your skin, for collagen production, reducing joint pain, fighting inflammation, making your nails nice and glossy and shiny, boosting your hair production and growth. So collagen is fantastic. If you're looking for something that is going to just repair your gut lining, your stomach lining, if you have digestive issues, it's an overall great, amazing protein for your body. Combine it with the golden turmeric herb, which is used in Indian cooking, as well as the golden spice made from this root herb. It is fantastic and powerful. All ingredients are anti-inflammatory. So if you're looking for a potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory drink, this is for you. In a saucepan, you're going to take about 100 to 200 mils of milk. Now, I use plant milk. In my case, I use a mixture of soy and rice milk. I like the rice milk for the sweetness. I add that into my pan and let it simmer. Now, you don't want it to boil because then it's going to just become a bit too foamy, as well as once we start adding the collagen, because it's a protein source, we don't want it to become denatured, meaning you can't use or reap the benefits of collagen. After about 30 seconds to a minute, once you're seeing it simmer and some steam is coming up, you're going to add a tablespoon of your collagen powder. So don't be scared. Add it in and watch it dissolve very quickly. Once you're done with that, you can either add the turmeric into your saucepan or pour that collagen mixture into your glass and then add your turmeric. Add maybe a teaspoon. You can add a tablespoon. It is up to you and what you can handle. Remember, turmeric is a very pungent herb and spice, so it's not for everyone's palate. If you're starting out, I would say quarter teaspoon. If you want it in darker color, then you can increase the amount of turmeric that you want to add. So you mix that all together. You can add honey, maple syrup, or agave syrup if you'd like, or a little bit of sugar. Absolutely up to you. In some of the recipes I've seen, you can add a little bit of cocoa powder or a little bit of coffee just to give it an extra kick, and then you decorate. It's that simple. By having collagen and combining it with turmeric, you have a powerhouse of a drink that will fight inflammation, improve your overall health, boost your skin, make you look glowing, your hair and your nails. It is a fantastic drink. You must note as well that the collagen source can either be meat-based or fish-based. So I'm not very familiar with the vegan options out there, especially here in SA. So always double check the source of your collagen before you use it, especially if you're vegan, right? So guys, if you like that quick recipe, I mean, how amazing was that? Click on the like and subscribe button and let me know your thoughts. Let me know what variation you've done to your turmeric latte, your golden turmeric latte. What have you added to it to elevate the latte? And let me know your thoughts.